think you may have killed her with your aspirate monologue. Number 417. You had your chance. What do you know? I am juror number 417. Please state your name and occupation for the court. Thank Fairfield. And you will take access.
Hey guys, I don't really know what to say, so that's why I'm just making faces. But today is Friday. Whoop. I'm so excited. I have class. I haven't done my homework, and I don't really care. And so, yesterday I went to school, and I taught a lesson, and I videotaped myself, and it was not very good. I hope that's not like a foreshadowing of me being a horrible teacher. Excuse me, I had a little cough. But yeah, I don't know how long I've been going. Maybe it's been a minute, maybe not, maybe more. I don't know. Bye.